button. It's now recording. Good morning, every single person. There's 38 of us today on this call, which I'm really impressed with. I'm a bit sweaty. My name is Kofi Ajiman. I am a platinum 5K toot. That means I'm earning a residual income of 5K per month. That's 60K a year. That's not even my trading money. And I'm starting off by saying this because every time I jump on this call, I want people to understand the power of sharing this opportunity. Okay, if Des did not share this with me, I would not be here. If I didn't share it, a lot of people wouldn't be here. So guys, please do not be afraid to share this opportunity. That's all you're doing, you're sharing. You understand, you're not selling. We're not salesmen here, we are sharing. Someone needs to be blessed. I have been blessed, been able to quit my full-time job, and I trade full-time when I want at the comfort of my home. And those that are in my trading group, you've been seeing the results. 12 losses, 12 losses. 12 wins last week, no losses. Today, we hit 1 TP, and yesterday, no, I think 2 TPs yesterday, 1 TP today. So guys, power of trading is amazing. So please, please, please feel free to share. Right, I'm just gonna have a quick look through the comments. And let's see, people saying they're grateful for their sister. I'm grateful for my son, keeps me on track, amazing. Grateful for life. Lisa's grateful for God, my kids, grateful for the opportunity to change my mindset. Yes, Layla, you're doing well. I've seen you as well, you know, I've seen you. Your mind's growing and developing. I'm grateful for seeing that God is in this way. Amazing, good morning. I'm grateful for my determination. Yes. Grateful for another day. Good morning, Kofi. Good morning, Lethea. Massive congrats. Yep. Good morning. Bless you. Yeah. Okay, why do I start off with this? I do this every single Zoom session because your mindset has to be ready to receive. Who understands what I'm trying to say? You have to be ready to receive, but by that happening, you've got to be grateful. It starts with gratitude. You've got to be thankful for what you have. If you're not thankful for what you have, you will not be able to receive anymore. Who understands what I'm saying? If you are not thankful for what you have, you will not be able to receive any more. Who understands? Is anyone that understands? Happy and grateful for my children. So every morning I start with gratitude. Every single morning I start with, I'm grateful to the Lord for making me wake up. It's the small things. You have to be grateful. You've got to be grateful. You take another breath. Some people have not made it. Some people are not even alive. Some people are not here to tell the tale. You have to be grateful. Be grateful for the losses that you have in your trading account. I'm being serious. Be grateful for the losses because every loss is write it down in the chat box. Every loss is a lesson. Thank you, Sarah. When I first started trading, I lost a whole lot of money. I kept losing. I was losing. I remember saying to Des, oh my gosh, Des, it's not working for me. I just keep losing my trades. But what you'll begin to find and begin to hear in your head, in your thinking pattern, is that trading doesn't work. Who's already had those thoughts? Who's had those thoughts in their mindset that trading doesn't work? Let me see. Is there any real people? Laura? Jess? Yep. Kiara? Yes. Laura says it's gambling. Gemma? Yep. All right. Okay. Who has been testimony to see and witness my trading account and growth? Put one in the chat box if you've seen my development, if you've seen my trades, if you've seen... Okay. Jess has said that. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, cheers, guys. Okay, the reason I'm saying that is because if your belief level is low, look to someone who has the results. If your belief level is low, look to someone who has the results. If you don't believe it's working for you, you need to be focused on a person whose trades are working. Who understands what I'm saying? So for example, when I was losing all the time, I humbled myself and followed an educator. Cheers, Laura. I humbled myself and I followed an educator. I followed Christopher Derrick. But what did I do? I watched him and I copied and I mimicked and I copied and I watched him and I just repeated. Repetition leads to your reputation. Say that again. Write it in the chat box. Repetition leads to your reputation. So the reason I've got a reputation of the trader that I am is because I've repeated them over and over and over. But the problem is, let me put this fan on. Sweating. But the problem is at the moment, people are not, they're not repeating themselves. They're not trying over and over. They're having one hurdle and quitting. Winners never quit. But guess what, guys? Quitters never win. All these little nuggets I'm spewing out, make sure you're writing them down so you can remember them. And when the thoughts come, you have my voice in your head. I've already told a lot of people my mandate for this company, not just the trade, is to actually help with the mindset. My mandate for this company is to help motivate you, for you guys to believe. Who understands? Because if your belief level is not there, you're not going to be successful as a trader. If you watch my video, I said that I gave myself 7 days. I said, I am so happy and grateful now that I'm P5K by Sunday the 14th of June, 2020. Now, I was far off. But because I believed it and because I spoke it, I then actioned it. And guess what happened? On Sunday, I hit the rank. So I'm trying to emphasize to everyone here, it is your belief level. It is your... If you believe you're going to suck as a trader, guess what's going to happen? You're going to suck as a trader. If you believe you're going to be a six-figure trader, guess what's going to happen? You're going to be a six-figure trader. I, for myself, believe I will be a six-figure trader. Who else believes with me? Let me just see raise of hands or fire or five or something. Who else believes with me they're going to be a six-figure trader? Poseidon says, I believe. Amazing. Who else believes? Okay, I'm seeing the chat box go crazy. I'm seeing people believe. All right. Okay. I'm seeing everyone believe. Alethea says, I'm a six-figure trader by Jet. Amazing. I'm going to hold you to that account, Alethea. Done no, someone said. 100%. December. Okay, yes, Michelle, I'm holding you to that. Okay, Flavia, all I see is the money signs. Okay, it's your belief level. So write this down. My belief level determines my success. Write that in your book. My belief level determines my level of success. And I'm going to get onto the topic of my rules, save my trading account. My belief level determines my level of success. Thank you, Alethea. And so, let me turn this fan off now. It's cool. So, you've noticed the key points that I do, okay? I will start off with gratitude. I will start off with being grateful. Okay, my kids are making noise. 1 second. Let me just calm them down. 1 second, guys. I'm back. So I start off with gratitude. So you have to understand there's certain principles to success in any shape or form. It starts off of being grateful. You wake up, the first thing you do, you're grateful. You're grateful for a good trading day. You actually believe you're going to have a good trading day. Okay, that's point number one. Number two, you have to raise your belief level. So if you're seeing things that are negative and contrary to what you believe, you're not going to hit target. So for example, I wake up pumped up knowing I'm going to make money. I wake up pumped up knowing I'm going to make money because I believe in my skill and talent. Who understands that? And so I'm coming with a belief that I'm going to make money. So guess what? If I don't make money, I still believe I'm going to make money. So for example, if I hit stop losses, I know because of my win to loss ratio, by the end of the week, I will be in profit. Who understands? Put a 5 in the chat box if you understand my mindset. Okay, amazing. People are starting to understand. Right. So these things, people think it's a joke. People think, oh my gosh, it's so airy-fairy. I want to get to the charts. Literally, people think, I just want to get to the charts. I want to understand the charts. No, the charts are not the problem. You are. Because the charts are not your friend. They will never be your friend. The banks are moving the markets up and down. The charts and the monetary system is not working for us. I want to be truthful. The system is designed for us to fail. Do you know that brokers are betting on you losing? Brokers actually want you to lose. So every single time, if you are a losing trader, they love it because the minute you put a buy for GBP USD, they're going to put a sell. There's actually two types of categories that happen. They look at you and they're like, okay, you are a novice trader, right? We're going to put you into this book. There's two books. And for argument's sake, there's an A book and a B book. They look at your years of experience and like, you're a newbie. We put you into this pile. And the ones that have experience, they put you into another pile. They monitor your trades and success, and then they determine whether they go against you. So if you're saying buy, they're going to push sell. So you have to understand, when it comes to the world of trading, it's already designed for you to fail. Who understands that? It's set up for you to fail. Pammy's like, yep. Okay. So now that you know the markets are already against you, they're playing off your greed, your emotions, and your fear. Who understands what I'm saying? Your greed, your emotions, and your fear. That's what they're playing off against. All right? They're playing off that. They're playing off you betting. They're playing off you gambling. That's what they want you to do. This is now where I'm going to bring this topic in. Your rules will save your business. Your rules will save your trading account. Someone write, my rules will save my trading account. My rules, okay. This is the point. So you've understood the groundwork. You've understood where we have to stand on as our foundation. We've understood that they do not want us to win. But I want you to win, and I'm going to win. So we have to believe we're going to win. So what do we have to put into place to ensure we win? So I have a set of rules. Now, if you're in my trading group, you will notice I do the same thing over and over and over again. I do not bend or fluctuate from the rules. So my personal rules are, it breaks a level of support or resistance. So it breaks market structure. Then for me, I wait for it to retest and it wicks off the 78.6. Now I utilize Fibonacci. That's my rules. So my brother Ben, he also utilizes price trap, but he doesn't use the same rules. Lee Williams, he does not use the same rules as me. But those are my rules. That's how I trade. So what I do is I get on at the 78.6. I measure 20 pips from that. That's my rules. My stop loss is 5 pips above the 38.2. That's my rules. So when I get into my trading account or trades, that's what I follow. Okay? That's what I follow. So because I follow those rules, I have the same robotic type of trades. Robotic, bam, TP done, TP done, TP done, TP, TP, TP. My second trade, I leave it to run as far as possible. That's my rules. The minute I hit my 20 pips, I move my second trade 2 pips into stop profit. So I'm building my account and protecting my account. Those are my rules. Why am I saying this? Because everybody is an individual trader. You have to have your set of trading rules, but you have to stick to your trading rules. Like Lee has just told me he gets off the 61.8. So Lee's going to wait a bit longer. So I will see more drawdown than Lee would. Because if he gets off the 61.8, then it's even going to be a better entry. That's good for Lee. I'm not changing my rules to suit Lee. Lee's not changing his rules to suit me. So please, whatever rules you have, stick to those rules. So if I'm in my trading group saying, guys, I've jumped in, because one thing you'll notice, I will never say buy or sell. I'm very strategic. I'm not going to tell you to buy or sell because I want you to become autonomous, which simply means independent. I'm telling you what I'm doing. I'm telling you my stop loss and my TP. If you decide to do that, that's fine. If you decide to go back into the trade, that's fine. And I was saying today, whatever you decide is right. I'm just here to kind of guide and assist you. But the problem we found with particular traders is that they follow the rules of the educators to the T. But your trading account is not the same size as their trading account. And so what's been happening, people have been blowing their trading account because they're following someone else's rules that doesn't suit their own. Who understands what I'm talking about? And if you do, give me a quick testimony of what you have done. Let me know in the chat box of what you've done. If you follow someone else's rules and it's blown your account or it's just messed you up. Let me see. Decided it learn for myself. Yeah, wow. Okay. Amazing. On the verge to give up. Augusta, don't give up. Okay. All right. So I'm now seeing people are following other people's rules and it's not working out for them. Now, it doesn't mean that trader or that person's strategy doesn't work. It just doesn't work for you. Okay. Write this down. My rules work for me. Okay. Here's my phone. Amazing. My rules work for me. I'm reading the comments. Amazing. So your rules work for you, okay? You have to understand that you are in charge of your trading account. So what I want us to do right now, in the chat box, write down some of your rules. Let me see. So people can get some nuggets. So in the chat box, write down a few of your rules that you guys utilize. And that's working for you. If it's not working, there's no point having it as a rule. But if you've seen account growth, let me see some of your rules. 10 pips profit. Okay. Okay, so Twanley, when it goes to 10 pips profit, you move your stop loss to stop. Okay, amazing. You only have 4 trades. Okay, thank you, Aggie. So Aggie only has 4 trades at a time. Resist the temptation to get more after my target met. Amazing. All right. Roy's like, don't go back in. Oh my gosh, that's the killer. Backtest strategies. Sassy doesn't trade Forex on Fridays. Wow. No more than 5 trades running at risk 2%. See, guys, this is what I love. You see what's happening? We're now sharing good practice. 30 pip loss, twin trade, 2 ups. Okay. Amazing, Poseidon. Buy and sell, high and low. Amazing. Calculate your stop loss. Tash is saying trading clear mind. Ooh, that's a good one. Once I've set my trade, I don't alter it. Yes. Do not jump in a trade that is gone already. Guys, can you see the nuggets that's been dropped? This is good practice. Trade only 2 days a week. Okay, Sakara only trades 2 days a week. Only enter zone once. Wow, thank you, someone. Set and forget. Don't be, oh my gosh, Pammy, that's a bar. Pammy has said, set and forget. Do not babysit your trade. Simply saying, once you have put your trade on, walk away and do something else. Don't watch it. Because one thing I've realized, and I'm guilty of this, and I keep it real 100, I babysit my trade. I ask it whether it needs milk. I say, do you want your nappy changed? Hey, that's my problem. That is my problem. And I'm fighting, but I'm overcoming. It's not that you're going to be in a struggle. It's that you are on your way to being an overcomer. Who understands? Okay, who understands? It's not that you're going to be in a struggle, but you're putting the boxing gloves to overcome the way you naturally are. I like to micromanage. That's my problem. Imagine yesterday, guys, my trade, if I just let it run, it went up 100 pips in one trade. If I just let it run. But me, I like to watch and tweak and touch and this and fiddle. If I didn't do that, I would have connected 100 pips. Like I took profit anyway, but the last trade, it went up 100 pips because I was tweaking, looking, nonsense. I lost out on 100 pips. I've written this down now, and you write it down. Write IDC. IDC. Okay. It stands for I don't care. I don't care. You put the trade on, you walk away, you let it go. Because how many times, let me know if there's anyone that can resonate. How many times have you left the trade in demo and it's gone like crazy amount of pips? But in your live account, you've been micromanaging it and you've only caught this amount of pips. One trade I was utilizing demo went like, I think 300 pips. I didn't even look at it. And I only caught like 30 pips in my live. Everyone's covering their face. People are saying, oh my gosh, people are saying, and this is why I'm trying to say rules save your trading account. Your rules that you have in place, once you've identified it, walk away. And I'm preaching to the choir. I'm preaching to myself. Kofi, walk away. Say your name and say, walk away. Say your name out loud and say, I'm going to walk away. You set your trade and you walk away. If, this is the only point, if you believe, my cousin James, like, I thought it was only him that was babysitting. Hey, James, we're in the same boat. If you think your trade is very volatile, then only maybe set 10 pips for your TP, okay? If you think it's very volatile and you only want to scalp it, then obviously watch it and then take your money and bounce. 10 pips and dips, 5 pips and dip. You take it and you bounce. Because at the end of the week, all that matters is your trading account in profit. Write that down. Is your trading account in profit? Is my trading account in profit at the end of the week? I'm telling you this. If after 2 weeks, your trading account is in minus, you're doing something wrong. If after 2 weeks, your trading account, hey, little baba. I can see Laura's baby. If your trading account after 2 weeks is in minus, you're doing something wrong. And it's okay to reflect. In life, you have to self-reflect. Okay? Yes, Famalam. Miss Elaka. Yay. If your trading account is in minus after 2 weeks, you have to self-reflect. And it's okay. So write this down. And these are cliche terms, but it's the truth. Every loss is a lesson. Write that down. Every loss is simply a lesson. Write it in the chat box, someone. Write this down. My account size will double if I follow my trading rules and plan. So my account size will double if I follow my trading rules and plan. Okay? Amazing, amazing, amazing. Write this down. I am a consistent winner because. So I am a consistent winner because I predefine the risk of every trade. Yes, I am a consistent winner because I predefine the risk of every trade. So let me give you an example for that. Myself, even if it does all my plan, if it breaks the zone retest of the 78.6, I will still quickly go to not Forex Factory, position size calculator and predefine the risk. How much am I willing to lose? Because with trading, it's not about how much you're willing to win, it's how much you're willing to lose. Write that down. So to be a successful trader, it's how much you're willing to lose. That's the most important. Because once you understand that, your account's just going to grow. Now, I'm a transparent moment. My trades have hit TP yesterday and today, but I haven't made as much profit because I made a mistake. So for example, I told everyone in the group NZD USD, and by accident, I pushed AUD USD. Because I was rushing. And the thing is, I'm trying to help people. I'm not even helping myself. So I pushed AUD USD but it was meant to be NZD-USD. So NZD-USD hit TP, my AUD-USD started to move down into profit. And then I was like, oh, wait, hold on. So I jumped into NZD-USD. But the thing is, I didn't follow my rules. Because let me tell you something. I do not trade currency pairs that move the same or that have the same quote pair at the end. So there's a base pair and there's a quote. So the base is like AUD and then the quote would be the USD. So let me ask you a question, right? With the base pair, is it going up or down? Let's see who knows something. With the base pair, is it going up or down? Is it bullish or bearish? Let's see if you guys have done some studying. So the base currency, is it bullish or bearish? Amazing. Otis is bullish. Okay. So that simply means the AUD, that is buying. If it's before USD, it's buying. That's it. AUD is buying. USD is the quote, which means it's selling. So if AUD USD is dropping, which currency is stronger? Let me see. If AUD USD is selling, which currency pair is stronger? Okay, amazing. So USD is stronger. So the quote is stronger than the base. Now, for me, I do not do correlating pairs. So NZD USD, AUD USD are very similar. They're both moving in the same direction. Okay. I will not get into two trades the same. Because if I lose on one, I lose on both. But guess what happened? Because I pushed the wrong currency pair, I then got into my NZD USD and I got into it too late and blah, 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 blah. I ended up making the money back, but the bottom line was, it was just a mess. I made a mistake. But if I'd followed my rules, I should not have gotten to the NZD USD. Even though I made a mistake, I should not have done that. Okay? So I've made mistakes like that that's cost me more money than I've gained. Does that make sense? So what I want you to understand about your trading rules and your trading Bible, your trading plan is that please, please, please stick to it. Because over the long term, you're going to make a lot of money. You're really going to make a lot of money. Like I promise you. What I want everyone to do, I want everyone to go back over Manny Q bootcamp series. Okay, so go to the harmonic section, go to Manny Canones, go to recorded sessions and watch his bootcamp, because a lot of things are basic knowledge and principles that we do not utilize. And we all need to be students. Like, I'm still watching videos. Please don't think I think I've got it. I don't. I'm always a student. I'm always watching. I'm always learning, because people are asking me questions in my trading group. I'm like, because I focused so much on one strategy, I kind of blocked out everything else. So I'm like, I don't know the answer to that. So let me go find it. All right. So Chris is right. Learn, learn, learn. Write this down. Learn, unlearn, relearn. Learn, unlearn, relearn. Learn, unlearn, relearn. Why am I saying that? We've been taught so many things in school. We're in the financial markets. We've got to unlearn that, and we've got to relearn the best practice and principles. Who understands? Who understands the best type of education is self-education? And this is me coming as a former teacher. I taught people what to think. I didn't teach people how to think. That's why I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm learning so much now. Oh my gosh. And I'm doing better. Do you know I'm actually doing better since I left the mindset of the world? I left the mindset of the 60% and 35%. So the mindset of the employed and self-employed, I'm actually now doing better financially. That's crazy. I'm now with the investor mindset and the independent business owner. So I'm actually doing better leaving the way of the world. Who understands? So I've learned something. I'm now unlearning it, and I'm now relearning it. Because you have to understand, they will not teach you financial education in school. They will never do that. They'll never teach you about budgeting. They'll never teach you about investing. They'll teach you to save. They will teach you to save. They won't teach you to invest, because they need your money. Society needs you to be in debt. They love it. That's why the wealthier keep getting wealthier and the poor keep getting poorer, because the poor do not know about mindset. The poor do not know about wealth creation. The poor know about consumerism. Who understands? You see adverts, all those people that are in marketing. Hey, the way I'm learning, Ilaka, my friend, Andrea Ilaka, she's been teaching me from time. Kofi, you need to change this. Kofi, on your Instagram page. Like, I'm now seeing the nuggets. 2 years later, I'm like, oh, I'm now getting it because she was trained in marketing, trained in advertising, trained in PR. So she's learned the ways of how to emotionally connect with us. Now I'm understanding. We are driven. There's certain things that are released, certain colors that are released for us to be like, oh my gosh, and other colors that, ooh, things that are put and perpetuated for fear. All right. So we're in a season of learn, unlearn, relearn. Learn, unlearn, relearn. So what I want to say as we leave, in this new season, I hope I've motivated you to begin to learn again. Go to ManyQ and start to learn again. I hope I've motivated you to say, you know what, I need to follow my trading plan and my trading rules because rules will save my business. I hope what Pammy dropped is you set and forget and do not babysit. No babysitting. Set and forget and keep it moving. After 2 weeks, if your trades are not in profit, or your account's not in profit, there's something you need to change. So guys, I'll wrap up again. My rules will save my trading account. Guys, I hope you've got some nuggets today. I hope you've been blessed by this. I hope, guys, every single Tuesday, 10:20 a.m., I'm going to be here. I'm going to keep dropping nuggets. I hope you've loved this. I hope, tag me at Kofi, or at Kofi_T. I can't even remember my tag name. Andrea's laughing. Someone put my tag, Pammy, Andrea, someone put my tag name. I'm promoting myself now, yeah? Tag me on Instagram, blow up my chat box, say thank you for the nuggets. That's it, at Kofi_Texel, yeah? Blow it up, because I want people to see the value, yeah? And I'm actually trying to promote. So blow up, write comments, don't just like it, that's long. Write a comment, yeah? Take a screenshot of my face or something. Anyway, guys, have to go. Love you and leave you. This training was good. Take care. God bless. Blow up the chat box in our groups as well. Say it was amazing, amazing value. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Love you guys. Take care. Boy. Oh, I've recorded this, so I'll send it out as well. And I will do it today. I promise. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Thank you.